welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to take you on an unforgettable journey as we explore the vibrant city of Osaka together. Get ready to dive into the heart of this bustling metropolis, where tradition meets modernity in the most spectacular way. Our adventure begins at the stunning Port of Osaka, a hub of activity and culture. At Tempozan Marketplace, you'll find everything from trendy boutiques to traditional shops showcasing authentic Japanese goods. It's the perfect place to pick up a one-of-a-kind gift or treat yourself to something special. Plus, with its proximity to attractions like the Osaka Aquarium Kaiyuken and the iconic Tempozan Ferris wheel, you can easily make a day of it. At Tempozan Marketplace, you can explore an array of shops, indulge in delicious local cuisine, and soak up the lively atmosphere. But the real highlight for LEGO enthusiasts is undoubtedly LEGO World. Here, you can marvel at stunning displays made entirely of those iconic bricks and even participate in interactive building sessions that ignite your imagination. Whether you're a child or just young at heart, this place promises endless fun.
Oh, ano yung sinasabi mo? Ano? O, tara.
Traveling to Osaka is an adventure that tantalizes the senses. And one culinary experience you absolutely cannot miss is indulging in a Wagyu beef burger from Kobe. Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy, perfectly cooked burger made from some of the finest beef in the world. The rich marbling and buttery texture of Wagyu will leave your taste buds dancing with delight. As you explore the vibrant streets of Osaka, make sure to seek out local eateries that serve this mouth-watering delicacy. Each bite is a celebration of flavor, showcasing the incredible craftsmanship that goes into preparing Wagyu. Whether you're enjoying it at a trendy burger joint or a cozy izakaya, this burger promises to be a highlight of your trip. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey through Osaka's culinary landscape, where every meal is an opportunity to savor something extraordinary. Don't forget to snap some photos before you dig in. This delicious Wagyu beef burger deserves its moment in the spotlight.